Can you immediately start making money on Amazon FBA? So in this video, I'm going to break down why people do not get started and get the results that they want, and why a majority of people just don't make any money with this business. First and foremost, to answer your question quickly, no, you cannot make your money immediately. So you have to understand that Amazon FBA requires you to actually put time, effort, and energy as well as resources into the business. So to answer a few other questions that I get frequently, like how often do you get paid? How fast do you get paid? Once your product's up live and operating and generating cash, every 2 weeks, Amazon is going to send the money directly to your bank account. When you're setting up your Amazon account, you need to go ahead and schedule and set up your actual business account. The reason why you're doing this is because Amazon's actually going to be sending those payments directly to you every 2 weeks. Now, so you know you get paid every 2 weeks once you're up and running. How long does it take for you to get up and running? So on average, after working with hundreds and even thousands of clients in this space, typically what me and my team see is people up and running in around 8 to 12 weeks. Now, of course, we've seen people start sooner in as little as 4 weeks, and we've seen some people take longer, right? So that leads into my next step. I want you to understand that you have to lead with realistic expectations. Understand why you want to get into this business. Chances are you want to have more freedom. You want to increase your income. You want to learn a new skill set so you can generate additional revenue. Maybe you want to replace your current income, or you want to supplement your current income. You have to understand that this business is a marathon and not a sprint. What does that mean? That means it takes time and you have to pace yourself. So I want to make sure that you're getting started and you set yourself with realistic expectations. Realistic expectations are you should have aside around $2,000 to $5,000 to start this business. Now, we talk about the micro launch and launching and how much money you need in other videos that we'll point to in this video, but you want to make sure you have at least that set aside before you go all the way in. Now, even if you don't have that cash, you can still get started by doing product research utilizing tools like AMZ Hunter or Jungle Scout. Links to both of those are down below as well. Now, once you understand that, you have to understand that it will take some time to find your product. See, the tricky part is nobody knows the magic number to when they're going to find that next product. It may be an hour, it may be a day, it may be a week, it may be a month. Nobody knows because there's hundreds of millions of products within Amazon's inventory system and within their catalog. That's why we use tools like AMZ Hunter and Jungle Scout. Again, links to both are down below. That way we can link through and we can literally cycle through all of these different products to find products that are going to have high demand and low competition. Before we wrap up this video, I want to answer one more frequently asked question, and I want to end one huge misconception that a lot of people have in this community, especially those who are looking to get started or who are in the process of getting started. A lot of people have a self-limiting belief that they're not going to be able to find the product because Amazon's saturated, or they keep finding products that are too competitive. I want to crush all of those self-limiting beliefs by letting you know that any product on Amazon can be ranked. Any product on Amazon can be sold. A matter of fact, every single product that's on Amazon will sell something. It's inevitable. It is nearly impossible for you to sell a unit. It is nearly impossible for you not to be able to sell this product or rank this product unless it's violating Amazon's TOS. Now, before you get started, you definitely want to become very familiar with Amazon's TOS. You can literally Google Amazon's terms of service, or you can go into the help center inside of Amazon Seller Central, and you can look at Amazon's terms of service as well. A few of the products that you can't sell are pretty obvious. You can't sell any firearms, you can't sell any paraphernalia, you can't sell any tobacco products, stuff like that, right? You can't sell that type of stuff. So outside of those, you may be thinking, well, Josh's product's too saturated. Josh's product's too competitive. So you have to understand that every product on Amazon can sell. The question is, do you have the risk tolerance? Do you have the actual capital? And do you have the audience to garnish velocity? See, the difficult situation is being able to identify products that meet your budget, meet your risk tolerance, and meet your actual velocity of views that you can get the product, or meet your actual audience, right? Your view velocity. See, the sweet spot is being able to start a brand new business on Amazon utilizing PPC and utilizing Amazon's traffic only. However, a lot of these huge brands who are in competitive niches, they can garnish different people to increase their view velocity and their actual click-throughs and their sales from sending emails, from sending Instagram stories and doing TikTok campaigns and going on Twitter and all these other things. So understand, are you starting out from ground zero? Do you have an established brand? Do you have an email list? Do you have a text message list? Do you have a partner? Are you utilizing influencer marketing? Do you already have an established brand that you can tap into and cross-pollinate? If the answer is no to all of those and you're starting from the ground zero, then you want to look for brands or products that have high demand, low competition. What does that mean? That means on average that these units are selling around 10 units per day. Now, these metrics are not end all be all. These are just metrics that I'm giving you kind of as a golden rule to start off with. 10 units per day is around 280 to 300 units per month. At an average profit of $10 per product, you're at $2,800 to $3,000 per month in net take home in your bank account profit. Now, if you're still watching this video, drop a like down below or drop a comment down below if $2,800 to $3,000 a month would allow you to replace your income or supplement your income and do some fun stuff like get a boat or buy your dream car or go on vacation more. That's the type of income that we're looking for and the type of income that thousands of our clients at the AMZ formula are getting. So if you're interested in learning how you can get started and get to the next level, and you know you want to do this and you want to go further faster, click the link down below somewhere in this video right now. Make sure you reach out to us. DM us on Instagram, shoot me an email, reach out. I'd love to hear from you. I read all of the messages and I respond to all of them in a timely fashion. Let's get it. I'll see you in the next video. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this and all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.